This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. One or two examples of good performance does not make a robust trading method. Okay, so moving on to our charts to see how to make sure that we are still trading within the trend. And as usual, we're going to start with EUR/USD. Okay, friends, so this particular market is a buy market. It's been a buy market for a while. The market is still kind of slow and sluggish due to the holiday, but this is a buy market. We do have our buy order in there, so we're just waiting for the market to rally so we can see some profits. So we're just being patient, okay? GBP USD. This is also a buy market. Now, we had a buy order in this market, but because of the pullbacks, it actually hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out the market. So we're not in this market any longer because of the pullbacks. And so we're going to probably just wait this one out until the market looks a little bit different. But for right now, we're not in this market. USD, CHF. This is a sell market. We've been selling this for a while. So we got in early with this particular market. So what we're doing is our first rule of trading is that we pay ourselves first. So we're seeing good profits. So we're going to make sure we take a lot size off of each of our markets that are profitable. The next thing of our trading is that once the market starts to rally, we're starting to see some profits. We go ahead and drop that stop loss in at our entry point. Our third rule of trading is that whenever the 50-period moving average, and that is our buy-sell indicator, whenever that moves within the 200 and the 500 simple moving average, whenever our 50-period moves within that range, that is our no buy zone. So if we don't already have our trade placed, then once that 50-period moving average moves into that category, that area, that no trade area, we do not place any more trades until it moves out of it. But fortunately, we got into this market early on. We got our sell trade in there, and so we're just drawing our profits. USD, JPY. This is another sell market. We actually put a sell order in there. It did hit our sell order, but the market pulled back. So we're going to wait and see. We're going to leave our trade open. We wait until the market tells us that the trend has changed. In the event that the trend has changed, then we'll go ahead and pull out our sell order. We will reposition and drop in a buy order. So we do have to take minor losses occasionally, maybe once or twice a month, but you know, that's part of trading. But we do take profits every single day, okay? And it will way surpass the minor losses that we have to take occasionally. EUR/CHF, this is a buy market. We jumped into this market as soon as the trend went from a sell to a buy. We jumped right in there, and that's what we like to do, friends. As soon as the trend changed, we jump in at the inception and we ride these markets out. Another word to the wise is that some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in these trends and we ride them all the way out, and we pay ourselves every single day from these markets. We drop in our stop loss at our entry point so our trade is protected, and we just continue to ride these trends. EUR, GBP. Okay, this is a buy market. We got word from the market today that this has went into a buy zone. So friends, if you want to go ahead and drop in your buy stop order, friends, and then we're going to wait until the market rallies this morning so we can see some profits, okay? But the market has told us that this is a buy market, so we like to jump in at the inception and ride these trends up. EUR/JPY. Okay, this is a sell market. We got our sell trade in there. We've been selling it for maybe a week or so. Okay, GBP/CHF. Now this market here is a buy market. We had a buy order in here, but we also had a stop loss at our entry point. Because of all the pullbacks, the tremendous pullbacks that hit this particular market, it hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out the market with no loss. So we're going to hang out. We're not going to place another trade for right now. We're just going to hang out and see if the trend changes. GBP, JPY. This is a sell market, friends. So we have our sell order in here. The market did pull back on us slightly. We're just going to hold our sell trade there until the market tells us to get out, that we're going in the wrong direction. When the market tells us that the trend has changed and we're going in the wrong direction, we will pull out. That's when we pull out, okay? Other than that, we keep our trades open. CHF, JPY. This is also another sell market that we got in, I guess a couple of weeks ago, whatever. And so we're paying ourselves. Make sure you pay yourself from your profitable markets. Usually, if you have a large enough lot size, you can pull a lot size off every single day. Okay, and that's what we do. We pull a lot off of each of our markets every single day. Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of our oil markets. In this instance, I am going to open up a chart so we can take a look at it. And so we are going to start with Brent crude. So we're going to jump over here to this chart here and open this particular market up. So the things that we do know about our trading is that whenever the green line or this 50 period moving average is in between the 200 and 500, that is where we do no sales. We don't place any orders when the 50 period moving average has entered that no buy, no sell zone for us, okay? So that's what you're seeing right here. Then we're going to flip over to our next chart. We're going to open up our next chart here, and that is going to be Brent spot. We're going to take a look at this chart. Here's another oil market. As you can see, the 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and 500. So in that case, friends, we do not place any orders when that is the case. Okay, we wait until the 50 period moving average moves out of that zone. And so we're going to look at a chart where that actually has happened. So we're going to look at WTI crude here. Okay, friends, so our green line or the 50 period moving average line has moved out of our no buy, no sell zone of the 200 and 500. And so whenever, like I tell you, soon as the trend changes or the 50 period moving average moves out underneath those two zones, and then you see this red shading here, that tells us it is time to sell. So friends, go ahead and drop in your sell orders. It is time to sell for WTI crude, okay? This is exciting. We like to get in when those trend changes. We like to get in early. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at WTI spot. This is another market. This is another market where the 50 period moving average has moved out from our no buy, no sell zone. Okay. And the shading is red, so it's time to sell, friends. Time to sell. Go ahead and place your sell stop orders in there, and we're going to wait. We're going to wait and see this market rally tomorrow, okay? So go ahead and put your orders in now, friends. I'll give you a second to do that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we're going to take a look at our next market, which is Bitcoin. A lot of people are interested in Bitcoin. So we're going to open up that chart here, friends. I hope everyone gave you a little time to get your trades in there. But the next market that people are interested in is Bitcoin. So I'm bringing that chart open right now. Okay, so our 50 period moving average green line is outside. It has moved outside the 200 and 500, and we see that the shading is red, which denotes that this is a sell market. We've been, guys, we've been tracking this market for several weeks. We continue to track these markets. It's been selling for a while. I hope you guys have your sell orders in there, and you're taking your profits off of this market every single day. Okay, so we're going to just move over to our other coins, which is ETH/USD, which is another sell market. Now this, like for a lot of day traders, this particular market is very slow moving. So I particularly choose not to. I really don't like this market because there's not enough volatility. Going up or going down, it's just not enough for my taste. So you can choose whether or not you want to trade that, but it is a sell market. If you're going to get in that market, sell stop orders only. But it's such a slow moving market, you may not choose to participate. LTC USD, this is a buy market. Now, we had our buy order in here. We had our stop loss in at our entry point. The market had pulled down, hit our stop loss at our entry point, and knocked us out the market. So I would not place another buy order in this particular market. You should wait and see if the pullbacks will create a trend change, okay? So we have silver. So let me bring open our silver chart here for you guys. And we're going to we just want to keep checking our markets here. And so we have silver here. Now, silver is a market that we have been trading for a while. As you can see, the green 50 period moving average was underneath the 200 and 500, and we had this blue shading. So we got in before the 50 period moving average moved in between the 200 and 500. We got in early, and so we're still in that market, and we're just paying ourselves every day from that market. But for everyone else who did not get a chance to get into this market early on before the green line moved in between the 200 and 500, I would probably say just go ahead and stay out, and we'll wait and find another opportunity for you to get into this market. But whenever this green line or 50 period moving average is in between those two lines, that's our no buy, no sell zone if you haven't already gotten into the market. So for the rest of us, we are just paying ourselves off of that market. Now let's take a look at gold. Here's another market that people are interested in. And as you can see, the green line is underneath the 200, 500, and we see that the shading is blue, which denotes that this is a buy market. We do have our buy order in here. The market did pull back slightly. We're going to wait and see if the market should rally. And in the case, great. Now, in the event that the market continues to pull back or the trend changes, you know the rule, friends. If the trend change, we change. We jump out, take our minor loss, and we reposition. And we can always make up those minor losses when we reposition, and we can get that money back. So, and then on top of that, we pay ourselves every day, and we may have to take a minor loss maybe 2 or 3 times a month. No big deal. 2 or 3 times a month. Okay, so let us take a look at USD/MXN. This market is still a sell market. Okay, it had done some pullbacks. Look like the market is pulling down again. If you're going to get in this market, make sure it's sell stop orders only. EURNOK. Or in that particular market, either you do sell stop orders or just stay out of it for right now, okay? EURNOK, this is a buy market. We got our buy order in. Pullbacks happen. We're going to wait and see if the market should rally, okay? Just patience. The market will let us know. We do not have to worry. The market will let us know if we're right or if we're wrong. If we're right, the market will shoot up. If we're wrong, the trend will change. We reposition, and we follow what the market says. Okay. EURZAR. This is also another buy market. We got our buy stop order in. Because of the sluggishness of the markets now, because of the holiday, the market has never rallied to even hit our buy order. So the market has never rallied to hit our buy order. So we're just waiting to see if the market should rally, okay? USD NOK. This is a sell market. We got our sell order in here. We're going to just wait and see how that should pan out for us, okay? But we got our sell order in for USD NOK. USD SEK. So this is also a sell market. We got our sell order in, but the market pulled back on us. It never even hit our sell order. So we're going to wait and see if the market should pull down, hit our sell order, great. If it continues to pull back, trend changes, we'll just pull out our order since it never even activated, and we will reposition. Easy, easy breezy, okay? USD SGD. This is another sell market. Everything looks good for everyone who's gotten into the market early on. For those who did not, the 50-period moving average is in between the 200 and 500. I would probably suggest that you stay out, okay? The rest of us, we're paying ourselves. Pay yourselves. USD ZAR. This is a sell market. We're selling it. Did some pullbacks, but we just wait. Let the market tell us if we're right or if we're wrong, okay? The market will tell you. CAD, CHF. Okay, friends, let's take a look at this particular chart, okay? So we're going to look at CAD, CHF. Okay, so we see the green 50-period moving average that's below the 200 and 500, and then we see the red shading. And so this is a strong sell market. This is what we like to see. We like to get in as soon as that green line, see how the green line crossed over the 200